Hi guys, good morning. Time check. 5:27 ng umaga. Actually, siguro nasanay na po ako sa oras ko sa work na magre-ready. Kaya napaaga ako. Masyado pong maaga. But nag-prepare tayo ng snacks and lunch ni Gabriel sa school. At saka si Cassie pa. Guys, nagpagawa po siya ng sandwich. Since off ko naman daw, gawin ko siya ng sandwich. So, ginawa ko. Anyway, tapo na muna natin ang basura. Let your dreams inyo mga guys. Today, day off po natin. Kaya, prepare tayo sa mga bata. Talaga na mag-prepare para sa mga bagets, kaya lang hindi pwede guys dahil aga kasi ng trabaho natin. Kung medyo na ano na naman yung nagsastop kasi ang motion ng gimbal pag pumupunta ako sa malayo. Parang hindi na niya nare-reach yung ano. But anyway, 5:41. Punas-punas muna tayo and then nagawa ko na yung breakfast na gusto ni Ate Cassie. Bigay natin sa kanya. So, it's day off. Sarap talaga mag-prepare sa mga bata. Dahil syempre, no? Miss din nila ang mag-prepare ang kanilang Mother Earth. Ayan na yung breakfast niya, guys. Yan yung request niya. Meron niyang ham, egg, at saka cheese. Bigyan natin sa kanya, guys. Let's go. Sobrang gulo ng hair ko pagka umaga. So, sensya na. Ano kung dapat gawin para talagang fresh pa rin yung pagkain ba? In case na gusto niya, pwede kong gawin sa gabi. And para initin na lang niya sa microwave pagka umaga. Yan. Anyway, tara. Tayo, bigay natin yung ano. Cause your breakfast. Cause here. Your wish is my command.
Yay. Thank you.
Did you try the skirt or no?
Not yet.
Okay. Anyway. Good morning. Okay, it's time to get ready, get up. Alright. Si Kuya yun, guys. Gising na din siya. Buti gumigising siya na hindi na ginigising. Anyway, see you later, guys. Mamaya ulit, okay? Ready na si Gabriel, guys. Kuha lang siya ng vitamins. Masaya na yan kasi dumating na yung ano niya, bagong backpack. Just 2.
You're only supposed to have 2.
Only 2, okay?
Did you put his name on there?
Yes. All of it.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, not on the big one. Hold on. You got it. Ask Daddy. Some help. Kailangan natin lagyan ng pangalan dahil, which one? Where do you want me to? Right here?
I got another one.
Okay. Alright. So, para hindi ma-missing, guys ba? At kung ma-missing man, merong pangalan. Come here. I will snap some. Wear your backpack. I will snap something. Where is my... Wait.
No!
Don't do that, you'll break it. You're supposed to talk to it and then it'll move to you. Say hi.
Hi.
Come here.
Hi.
Gabriel. Come here. Come here. Stand right here real quick. Stand right here. There you go. Stand up, stand up. There, right there, right there. Good. Alright, smile. Smile. 1, 2. Bye. Give mommy kiss. Kisses. Love you. We're waiting for Cassandra. Let's go, Cass. Outfit check. So yan. You happy with the new backpack? Let's see if is the backpack good? You like it? Is it too heavy? Are you sure? I feel like it's heavy. Anyway, let's go, guys. Antay natin si Cassandra. Dito na kami. Stop. Drop off namin first si Gabriel. Hold off, Gabe. Ready for school? Yup, have a wonderful day. Ayan na sila. Merong kumukuha sa kanila, nag-o-open na ano. Bye, Gabriel. Love you. Alright. Ayan na si Gabriel, guys. Alam na niya paano pumunta doon. So, tara. Wrap up naman natin si ate. Bye! Andito na kami, guys, sa bus stop ni Cassie.
Goodbye.
See you later then. We love you, okay?
Love you.
Be careful.
Right.
Drink lots of water.
Have fun at school. Be good. Bye. Ayun na siya, guys. Mag-aantay na lang yan siya sa bus stop. May kasama yan siya eh. We're not leaving yet, right?
I pull over there when she gets out.
Oh, okay. Alright.
That way I can see.
Yeah, because we want to make sure we don't leave her there until she make it to the bus stop. Kasi alam nyo na, this is a crazy world.
I go right here, then, but I pull right there so she don't have to cross the street.
Yes.
Because she don't even look both ways.
I know.
Come on, Caddy. When you get out of the car, you're supposed to look both ways before you cross the street.
Andun siya, guys. Nagantay sa bus nila. Morning. Mi amor.
I'll sleep good.
Tapos, yung alarm namin sa bahay, nag-noise talaga. Madaling araw daw. Akala ko naman merong tao or something sa labas ng bahay namin. Ano pala, mga ibon. So, gising daw siya. Naririnig niya. But anyway. So,
There it is.
there's the bus. Diyan nag-bus, guys. Guys, ganito yung ano dito sa Amerika. Ayan na ang school bus. Oh, okay. School bus. Hold on. What's that mean though? I don't understand this. Oh, the second.
Look,
Okay.
same record.
Alright, cool. Ayan na, guys. Should let them go first. Bye! Andiyan na si Cassie. Ayan.
Can't see in there anyway.
No. So, yan lang. Meron kasi mga school bus dito, which is maganda. So, tara guys, uwi na po kami.